But why put a guarantee on the box? The guarantee makes the customer feel safe, like, I shouldn't break, but if I do, I'm going to make things all better. Tommy boy, anybody? Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a review and install of the Zeus Lighting drop-in LED headlights. They have them for a variety of different applications. These ones here are going to be going into my 98 F-150. I really like some of the other products that are available for Zeus Lighting, so I'm hoping that I'll like these too. You can find these at olympusoffroad.com. I'll put a link down in the description below. Not a sponsor or anything, I just really like their products. Let's just jump into it. Okay, so our first step is there's these two tabs right here. We're going to pull those up, and that'll allow us to remove our headlight assembly. Once you get that up, you can just kind of push on it from behind a little bit. Look at that, it pops right out. Next, we can unplug our connector. Get a little assistance from my handy dandy screwdriver here. Ooh, look at that. Now that our headlight is out, we go ahead and remove this locking ring here and remove the whole light bulb. Next, we're going to go ahead and install our new bulb assembly here. It only goes in one direction. Just slide that in there. And then we want to slide our locking ring around, get it squared up. Look at that. Beautiful. Locking ring is in position. Light bulb is in position. Now all we got to do is put her back in. So we're going to plug our bulb in. My plug's a little loose. I just don't trust how loose it is. It's probably my old plug, so I'm going to wrap a zip tie around it because I don't want it to come loose. Okay, now that that's all done up, we got our wires back in. Slide our headlight assembly back in place. Having a hard time getting that one lined up with the hole. Oh, look at that. Now we're all set. Here is before and after. I am thoroughly impressed with the amount of light that these headlights produce. I was not expecting this big of a difference between the bulbs that I had in there and the Zeus Lighting bulbs. The bulbs that I had in there were already a little bit of an upgraded bulb. They were kind of expensive, and I cannot believe the amount of light that the Zeus lights put out for around the same price. One thing I did forget to mention is these come with a lifetime warranty. It says so right on the box. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. As always, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.